Nos metimos en la comida de mamá y de Titi y de abuelita. Oh, you puppies are eating, yeah. And one is over there with mama. Oh my God, they're hungry, hungry hippos. Yeah? And this is what I have to clean up. Even though I took their food at 5 and they had potty. And I put their food away. Yep, I have to clean this up now. But I love them so much. Mama Jane! Mama Jane! What do you smell there? What do you smell there? Hey! Get out of my garden! Mia! There you go. Oh, that's so adorable. She doesn't want to lay down because they're big, but they are standing up.